waves building to 3 to 5 feet.
Service Office, Buffalo, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of this signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at about 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of the broadcast and of the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: KHA53 Buffalo and WWG32 Little Valley, the counties of Allegheny, Cattaraugus, Chautauqua, Erie, Genesee, Niagara, Orleans, and Wyoming; KHA53 Rochester, the counties of Cayuga, Genesee, Livingston, Monroe, Ontario, Orleans, Seneca, Wayne, Wyoming, and Yates; WNG539 Spencerport, Monroe County; WXN68 Watertown, the counties of Jefferson, Lewis, Oswego, and St. Lawrence; WZ2536 Lyons, the counties of Wayne, Cayuga, Monroe, Ontario, and Seneca; WNG541 Jamestown, Chautauqua County. We now return to regular programming.
This is the NOAA Weather Radio KHA53 in Rochester, your source for official weather information across the Western Finger Lakes in the Genesee Valley. KHA53 operates on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. The 11 a.m. weather at Rochester. It was mostly